liking Doyle's channel on this brisk 45-degree weather day. Sunny and clear, 45.5, cruising along about 79 miles an hour, 65, and elevation of 900 feet above sea level. And welcome to the Blue Bike Doyle's channel. Roll that intro. Welcome back, everybody. We headed up to Chattanooga, Tennessee to the, hopefully it's open, it's a roadside attraction we're going to check out that's called the Towing Museum. It's got a monument to all the tow drivers that's lost their life. I guess, tow drivers lost their life, and so we're going to go up there and check it out. It's about 80 miles from here, or 85 or so, down in downtown Chattanooga on the west side of Chattanooga, I believe. So we headed that way, so come along for the adventure. All right, here we are, shop local. So this is the wall of the fallen, dedicated this 9th day of September in 2006 for the men and women who lost their life in the line of service within the towing and recovering industry. There you have it. Towing and rolling rescue. That's all the names. Let's go inside and check it out.
Is the birthplace of the tow truck. It all started in 1916 when a man by the name of John White flipped his Model T into the Chickamauga Creek. Word quickly spread to Ernest Holmes Sr., a local mechanic who was eager to take on the challenge. Holmes, along with 8 other men, spent the entire day recovering Mr. White's vehicle. With ropes, bricks, wood beams, and grit, the men were able to complete the recovery. This experience stuck with Ernest Sr. He put his creative mind to work. Over the next 2 years of late nights and countless prototypes, Ernest secured a patent in January 1918. His invention was the first of its kind, a split boom wrecker. This unique concept was built on the theory that an operator could anchor the truck on one side and recover a vehicle on the other, as to not tip the wrecker. Holmes used the slick 1913 locomobile to mount his hand-cranked split boom. The design worked wonderfully, and he began production on the Holmes 485, the first commercially available tow truck ever built.
Alright, folks. Hope you enjoyed the little towing museum. That's pretty neat. You can check out that video right there. And that one. Hit the subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up. Like, share, and subscribe. Yep. Pretty neat. Worth the visit.